Hey everybody, Kerry from Babs Speed Warehouse. I hope you guys are having a great holiday season, picking up some goodies for the kids and getting ready for the parties and all that fun stuff. Well, today we're going to combine two different things. We've got some new gold-filled findings in, and we're going to make them part of our weekly special. And we've got some really cool stuff. We've got some new clasps in gold-filled. I know there's not a lot of gold-filled out there, and it gets somewhat expensive, especially with the price of gold. Gold went over $2,000 an ounce, which is crazy. So gold-filled is a great alternative. Let me explain the difference between gold plating and gold-filled. Gold plating is electrically taking gold molecules and through a stimulus of electricity, and it just plates it on top of it. So it's just a small surface plating. Gold-filled is a mechanical bonding. So think of a garden hose. And here's the outside of the garden hose. This is all gold, and in the center of the garden hose is brass. But it's got thickness of gold. So 1/20th of that, that's where the 1/20th of 14 karat comes in when you see that hallmark on it, or the quality mark. So 1/20th or 1/12th of it, both are good, is the 14 karat gold, and the rest of it is brass. Now the problem with that is you can't make a lot of different things out of it, because it has to be made from either a wire, a tube, or sheet. And you can't cast those into all different shapes. So they have to actually manufacture all kinds of machine that could take either wire, tubing, or sheet and make it into different things. So you have a limited amount of clasps, you have a limited amount of a limited amount of everything. So we did get some new items. One old item which we got a really good deal on, which is a magnetic clasp that you can attach to any type of gold chain that you've got. So it takes a real easy to take a necklace, their chain that you have, and convert it into a magnetic clasp. That's pretty cool for those people with arthritic hands. You don't want to do it on anything too heavy, but it's perfect for those lighter chains that you may have trouble with, that some elder folks have trouble with. The youngins, they don't need this so much as us older folks. So I'm going to do a little demonstration of that, and we're going to show you a couple more items in gold-filled, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And hey, listen, even if you don't buy anything, I ask you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel, because that's kind of like buying from us without it costing you any money. As soon as we get to 1,000 subscribers, hopefully we'll be able to monetize the channel and make some income just from our YouTube videos. Lord knows we almost have 1,000 videos right now. So pull up a chair and push the subscribe button, and here we go. All right, so let's show you what this looks like, the magnetic clasp. You've got a spring ring on this side and just a ring on that side. So you would take the spring ring or the lobster claw and connect it to here, and then attach that to where the spring ring or lobster claw would normally go into it. I'm going to show you this up close. Let me put this away, and we're going to show you right here. So you can see the lobster claw connected into there, and the spring ring connected into here. Watch this. Boom. There we go. Very strong. Got it on a real pretty necklace. Anybody wants this necklace, this would be a great Christmas gift. Come on in the store, I'll show it to you. Really cool. That's the whole thing. And I got these at an excellent price. They're one of our weekly specials. Look at that. It just finds itself nice and easy. Nice, gold-filled. This chain isn't, by the way. This chain is vermeil. Gold over sterling silver. That's easy. Lobster claw connects into that hole. Spring ring connects to where the lobster claw would have went. Pretty cool. Now on to the next. Okay, this is a filigree clasp. Gold-filled. You've got your little tap there, and you squeeze these two together, and it comes out. And let's put it back in and here, if you can hear the snap, listen. Hear it snap in? Very pretty clasp. This is also on sale, and this will last a lifetime. It is gold-filled. Well, you all know what this is. This is a gold-filled toggle clasp. You got the bar. And toggle clasps are very difficult to find in gold-filled. So if you want a toggle clasp, this is really nice. I'm gonna put it down there because my skin doesn't look so good. And let's see if we can zoom in. There we go. Really pretty toggle clasp, very good price. It's on sale, it's our weekly special. And something new. And last but not least, I've got a small double jump ring. And what you use these for is for lobster claws. And it gives a much better finish. You would string to the small end here. And then your lobster claw, if you're using a lobster claw, and I never had these in gold-filled before. Of course, we've had lobster claws, but not this. So I'm trying to do this through, there we go, through the camera. And see, it's a really nice finish. The little side right here is what you string to, and then the lobster claw goes in there for when you close it. It's just a much better finish than just putting a big jump ring on there. It looks much more professional. These are sold in pairs. So you get two of these in the deal. This is also on special. Put that back. And this is a really nice chain with gemstones in it. Now, if you're interested in this, just send me an email if you're interested in the chain. I think it's 16 or 18 inches. I'll give you a heck of a deal on it. So, and I'll give you the particulars on it. Yep, that's all I've got for you now. I hope you enjoyed the video. And again, please subscribe. And because that really helps us. If you, again, if there's nothing you want to buy, it still helps us if you want to help the bead store stay in business. Subscribe to the channel. You guys have a great week, and we'll see you when the next shipment comes in, which may be Monday or Tuesday. We get shipments coming in all the time, getting ready for season. Carrie is out. Just click on our logo to subscribe to our channel. We'd greatly appreciate it, and you all have a great day.